but Judge Andrew Napolitano is, and he can sort of pick apart this gentleman's chances here. Well steeped in Washington law and with the Bush family, with President Bush going back to 2001, before the attacks and post the attacks. That alone made a lot of folks think, and his closeness to Karl Rove, that it would be difficult for the president to look past that.
Yes. So you had a couple of forces competing here. Judge Kavanaugh is the candidate of the Washington establishment, particularly the conservative Republican establishment. Judge Barrett was the candidate of the religious conservatives. Judge Kethledge was the candidate of the conservative academics. Judge Hardiman was the candidate of a force in the Trump family, the president's sister. Judge Kavanaugh was the leading candidate from the beginning, and notwithstanding his closeness to the Bush family, and particularly President George W. Bush, for whom President Trump does not have any fondness, notwithstanding that, was the leading candidate because of this push by the conservative establishment. Probably the most influential person here is a guy not generally known to the public by the name of Don McGahn. Right. Don is the chief White House legal counsel and for 20 years a dear friend of Brett Kavanaugh, who probably was pushing him from the beginning.
And he was the one who wanted a precise legal text. He was very big, again, was in looking at this, and here's a guy who filled that bill.
He pretty much holds himself out as a disciple of Justice Scalia, meaning the Constitution means what it says. If the words are ambiguous, then you go to what's called originalism. What was the original public understanding of that phrase, whatever the phrase is, right, when the Constitution was ratified in 1789? This is a legal theory never fully adopted by the court, but most notably associated with Justice Scalia and from time to time other lower federal court judges, one of whom is Judge Kavanaugh. I understand that when Anthony Kennedy visited the White House 12 days ago, he had two purposes in mind. One was to say, Mr. President, I'm going to submit my resignation. The second was to suggest his replacement, and he suggested Judge Kavanaugh. Now, the president really didn't like that kind of a suggestion, but obviously came to like it because of the decision he made tonight.